light pink blush. And I don't know where this church is, but you can see from the outside. And then they have a telephone booth, old school telephone booth. Turn right here. Turn right here. And there's that outdoor restaurant. Yeah. Yes, the door? Okay. They have like the back alley. Straight.
Really like the name before we left.
Yeah.
What's the name of the restaurant?
Most restaurants, their tables are outside because they don't have like air conditioning inside. So it's actually nice to just sit outside and have dinner. So, and also it's a common thing here in Europe, in Rome, to keep their hotel windows open. So you don't have to like turn on your air conditioning. Look at the structures. Really, really nice. Postcard in there. Let's get those postcards tomorrow. And some apron. We are in the central. But nothing would prepare you from the cobblestones of Europe. It will kill your feet, no matter how comfortable your shoes is. This restaurant looks expensive, right in there? Molino. Very fancy. I'm gonna turn it this way. Yeah, at least they have like a closer in it. We are on our way to have dinner. The name of the restaurant that we are going to is dun 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 dun. It's called the the struggle is real. La Forchetta de Oro, and it's supposed to be just 2-minute walk from here. But anyway, it is 7:15 local time here in Rome. Hey, hi guys.
Hello.
And I'm gonna show you our hotel that we're staying is really close to the Basilica Santa Maria Maggiore Basilica. But look at how nice the restaurant is. Are we on the opposite direction? Opposite direction? We go like this? This is one of their biggest churches. Yeah. See, Ristorante La Forchetta. Natura. So we end up in going to this place called Ferrarelli. Right, very close to that other restaurant that we checked out earlier. It's also really local, so we'll find out about their food. It's really cute. Very small place.
You have a menu then, and I have the drinks, so unless it's mine, which it isn't. La pasta. Cheese inside.
Il Nipotino
Drink water, guys.
Del Solitario.
Yeah, don't just water.
Il Nipotino Del Solitario. It's the name of the restaurant.
Thank you.
It's not so strong sparkling.
Okay.
It's medium.
Medium.
If you want, we have less strong also.
Okay.
Less than this.
Okay, cool.
Maybe. You can try.
Thank you.
So, what we ordered is for pizza. What did we order in the Dodong?
This is sparkling.
Capricciosa. Capricciosa. So we ordered the pizza capricciosa. And for the pasta, Rian, what did we order?
The second option.
The second option, which was the
This is water.
spaghetti tonarelli alla carbonara. And then we also ordered pappardelle fungi porcini. What did we order as the main course, Daddy?
Chip. Beef. Burrito manso. Chip.
The filetto manzo con fungi porcini, beef fillet porcini mushroom. Oh, that looks good. I haven't seen this kind of pizza before. It has boiled egg, a big slice of meat. Right there. See?
That's for me.
Just gonna mix them.
Thank you.
So, how good is it?
Very good.
Very, very good.
I'd love to give it 100 out of 10.
So you think you're gonna share it to mom? No?
So you can pay in the order this tiramisu.
Will we be able to taste it?
If you hurry up.
The real question. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Even the empty container, they're fighting.